Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a Reinco. This is what they call a TM-730. So we have sold literally hundreds of these over the years. Reinco is built in Plainsfield, New Jersey, which is now owned by Epic Manufacturing. So the name now is called an Epic. So this is a straw blower that came in several years ago. I just never got time to fool with it. We finally got it at the shop, serviced the motor. Went through everything. I happen to have a leftover decal kit here from back in the day when we fooled with a lot of these. We put a factory decal kit on it. There is a brand new wire basket, they call that. It's a protection from some guy sticking his arm in there. This is powered by Wisconsin, and these were a I forget what model these were, a W4. V4 HD, all about the same in the Wisconsin engines. Air-cooled 4-cylinder gas motor. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature. Gas tank is good, clean. We actually pulled it, drained it. Carburetor was excellent. New plugs, new choke cable, new throttle cable. I had to put a new ignition switch in it. Hour meter does not, it's illegible, I can't read it. Voltmeter works. There again, hours on something like this. This is an older blower, but actually the things you look at is the blower housing, which we'll show you right here real quick. Blower housing itself does not have what's called chain bruising in it, where something was sucked through it. On the other side here, same thing. It's not been welded or plated. I've seen these where they're wore completely thin. It's a TM-730. Serial number is a 2938. I'm not sure on the year. I didn't call Epic and run it. Typical feed table on these right here has been 2 welds on the feed table. Very, very typical of these. There again, this unit, truthfully, on the chute, what they called a boom, discharge boom, has had some weld repairs. You can see, typical. We did pull it apart up here. I put a new piano hinge in. There's 2 rubber seals that goes in here. We put both those in. The bottom rubber seal is still in very good shape, and the original deflector piece is still down there. So the boom operates the way it is supposed to. Again, this isn't a brand new blower. I actually did build a new handle for right here. Everything there in the discharge boom works the way it is supposed to. A new blower like this today, you're probably $35,000 with today's new admissions crap. There again, this is an affordable blower. I think these units were rated to put out 6 to 7 tons of straw per hour. Reinco always prided themselves on having the blower industry, or blower end was a pump, they called it, how it worked. They have beater chains inside of here, which you can see. We'll show you. So they have a swinging chain. It's a grade 70 chain. Chains are still in good shape for a used blower. End bearing is good. The shaft itself is in good shape. Blower fan itself is in good shape. So I'm going to fire it up here, start it, show you everything works the way it's supposed to. You can hear the motor. Motor sounds great. It's nice, quiet, it idles. Throttle in this is backwards to what you think, so you crank it in, throttle's up, okay. Air's wide open. Throttle has a button here, you can pull it back down. Then the discharge chute will come over here, come back in place right where it's supposed to. Put the safety pin back in it. Yep, that was smart. Using my head on a Friday. So, exhaust gaskets in these are usually blown out. These are actually really good. There's no exhaust leaks there. I had a brand new muffler we put on. Up front, the safety screen's in very good shape. It's a very affordable straw blower that actually will go out and go to work today. It's an older unit, but there again, everything does work. This feed table does fold up, okay? Now, unfortunately, what it does is they like to come over and they hit the chute here. What you're supposed to do is pull this table out, which it just lifts up. Pull the table out, fold it down, and then it actually sticks down in the unit this way for transport. So Again, we changed oil, fuel filter, new gas line, new battery, muffler, key switch, choke, throttle cable. We even throw it. I'm going to price this straw blower very reasonable in the market. Yeah, there's some out there on Facebook Marketplace for $3,500 and $4,500. But when I start looking at them, they need all this work that we did to this one. And that costs a lot of money. So your time's worth something, and parts today are expensive. So here, and then we did put a new air filter in also. And this does have the newer style with the dry element in it. So any questions, 814-658-3066. Again, this isn't a brand new blower, but it is a good old working straw blower. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. And one other quick thing, yes, parts are supported through Epic for this machine. That blower end of this is the same. Couplers, that is a... I believe they call those a Haynes coupler, which that stuff's all still available. They have a rubber bushing in between them, and it's in good shape. So any questions, again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.